Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of ACT and SAT practice questions. This is Romel with the Jax Tutor. So, let's see. Let me show you what they asked us here in this video. In this question actually. Let's see. A 5" by 7" photograph was cut to fit exactly into a 4" by 6" frame. What is the area in square inches of the part of the photograph that was cut off? So basically what they tell us here, so we have a big photograph that's 5 by 7. They cut it into 4 by 6 to fit a frame. So they want the area of the part that was cut off. So think about here this way. So 5 and 7, right? Okay. So now they cut it into, let's see, they make the side 6. They make this size 4. They make this one. So this one 5 inches, 7 inches. So it's a rectangular, of course. Now they cut 1 out of there, 1 inch out of here, and then 1 inch out of here. So what they make the side is 6 inches, and then this is 4 inches. So what they really want is the area of the part. Let's see if I can find another marker. Not here. Okay, what they want is the area that is shaded, this area right here. That area. That's what they really want. There are multiple ways to solve for this. The most, I say convenient, and also probably the way that makes most sense is thinking of it as in, okay, I had this area, I can remove this from it, and then I'm left with this area. So what happened is, if you have the total area of the big triangle, the area of the big triangle, it says the area of big triangle, it's called big, is equal to 7 inches times 5 inches, which is 35" squared. Okay, 35 inches squared. That's the area of this big triangle right here. Now, what is the area of the white part? So the area of a small triangle, I mean not triangle, actually a rectangle, of the small rectangle is what? 6 inches times 4 inches, which is 24 inches squared. All right, so we have the big one, we have the small one. So what we do, we want this part right here. So if we take away the big, if we take the big one and take away the small one out of it, all we left is this area, which is what they asked us for. So the area that we're looking for, A, is equal to 35 inches squared minus 24 inches squared, which is 11 square inches. So, and this should be answer choice. Let's see. It's coming. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, this is not showing. There you go. Yeah, it says essential short answer choice C. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and the SAT. Again, my name is Romel with the Jax Tutor. Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.